Hi everybody, welcome to Tech Tip Friday. I'm Kurt Staley, that plastics guy, and I'm bringing you a tech tip that you could take with you to, well, the shop floor or even your household. I just completed a long format audio podcast with my friend Justin Riney of the Polystyrene Recycling Alliance, and I'm expecting that will air on Monday. So here we are, Tech Tip Friday. Go for the weekend, you can hear this podcast on Monday. And we discussed in detail what the Polystyrene Recycling Alliance is doing to promote the recyclability of, yes, polystyrene, but very specifically EPS, the foamed polystyrene, what we typically see in packaging materials. And this product, for many, it's kind of a bane of their existence because it's big and bulky and you break it and it kind of goes everywhere. It's a little messy, but it is 100% recyclable, and not everyone actually knows that. I mean, I'm sure in the industry many do, but in terms of municipal blue box programs, they won't take it. It's big and bulky, and what do you do with it? Well, I'll tell you what you do with it. Essentially, the material is densified by hydraulic compacting, and then it becomes very easy, once flattened, to transport. Because this product, when it's foamed, it has a lot of air in it, by definition actually. If you densify it, you're taking the air out of it and making it more economical to bulk ship to a recycling center. So what Justin is working on with municipalities all across the United States are drop-off centers, like we have them here for electronics reprocessing. Drop-off centers for EPS packaging that will actually compress or densify these pieces and make it easy to send to a recycler, or perhaps it's recycled on site if if the drop-off center is so set up. Anyway, it's something I'd like you to think about. Do we have them in Canada? Do we have a consumer level drop-off? Many retailers, they may be engaged in this, taking packaging back and just simply dealing with it on your behalf in the event of, say, a major appliance, your washer, dryer, a television, a large one, many smaller sets you just take home in your car and you're left to deal with packaging. But the point is, this is a super beneficial commodity. It prevents product damage. And, Justin shared this very interesting statistic with me that if polystyrene, foamed polystyrene, EPS, if it's taken out of the packaging equation, the damage to products being shipped with other forms of packaging, well, that damage can increase by 30%. So if you can imagine buying a fridge or other major appliance and it's shipped, I don't know, with wood or with cardboard, something that doesn't absorb the shocks during transportation, it's broken. Now you've got to deal with a broken appliance. You ordered another one. Well, maybe that broken appliance isn't salvageable due to damage from shipping. It happens. And we're dealing more and more with manufacturing offshore, or maybe in Mexico or wherever the case. We used to have appliance manufacturing in Canada. General Electric was GE, then Mabe. I believe they were in just outside of Montreal. I might be wrong on that. I'm going by memory. Yeah, that's gone. Camco in Hamilton. I think that's all gone too. I never really supplied to it, so it's not my area of expertise in appliance. But the point being, we've got these consumer durables shipping longer distances, and we're attacking the very commodity that's used to protect them, shipping during great distances. Since I highly doubt we're going to bring that type of manufacturer back to more cities in Canada and the US, shipping is going to have to be a real consideration, and we need to understand that we have to use the right commodity to protect these consumer durables during shipping, and in many cases it's EPS foam. It can be recycled, folks. It can be. So let's work to engage government and private industry to ensure that this type of product is in fact recycled here in Canada as much as we possibly can. The capital equipment to densify it is not super expensive. It can be handled. So I'm going to leave that for you. It's kind of an interesting tech tip for your shop floor, for your management, for your home. Think about it at home. How are you going to handle EPS should you get it in? So there we go. Have a great Friday, a great weekend, and we'll be back at you. Now I'm heading out for a little vacation, so I'm going to record maybe 2 or 3 tech tips today, and there'll be debuted in successive Fridays, but you're going to see the same outfit. So take heart, it's not me wearing the same thing 3 Fridays in a row. It's 3 recordings in a row. Anyway, behind the scenes with that plastics guy. Take care. Have a great one. Bye for now.